You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. For more names from anatomy, medical terms, make sure to stay tuned. Testicles, both British and American English pronunciations are similar here, so it's pretty easy once you know this is the plural. The singular is testicle, plural testicles. Stress on the first syllable. English pronunciation, how to pronounce testicles. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.